What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you all are having a great freaking day. We got Sen and Steve following us here. But so a little bit of backstory of what we're doing today. Obviously, you guys know that my Duramax is dead in the water from the previous video. It is conked out, no more. I need a transfer case. I'm so not happy about it, but it is what it is. And so, okay, so a buddy of mine, like I'll specify here later on in the video, a buddy of mine told me about an auction that's going on here for a whole bunch of trucks and equipment. And a lot of them are Ford trucks and stuff. So we're heading out there right now to look at these auction trucks. They're all Ford F-350s, 250s, 550s, shit like that, like big stuff. And they're letting them go, you know, for a decent amount of money. So he told me that if they don't get sold, they are either going to scrap or they're getting auctioned off at an auction, one or the other, we don't really know. So he told me about it. He's like, listen, you know, if you want to come look at this stuff, he's also the guy that's getting me the 04 Duramax as well, which I've already got. I don't have it physically, but it is my truck. So we're on our way out there right now. We're gonna take a look at these trucks, see if anything's worthwhile. He said a lot of them are rusted and like beat on, very high mileage, and you know, very high mileage trucks. So we're gonna go out here and look. And I figured since Steve is such a Ford fanatic, we'd bring him along and see if there's anything he would like as well to bid on and check out and stuff. So let's get out there, boys. Let's see what this thing looks like, what these trucks look like. Maybe they're all pieces of shit. Maybe they're not. Maybe we'll walk away with something. Maybe we'll put some bids in and see if we can grab one of these things up. But it should be pretty interesting, guys. So let's head out there, check it out. Hey, Steve, I'm buying a Ford.
You ain't got no balls.
I'm buying a Ford because I want something that's going to be slow.
No balls. Dude, that's a 6.0. That's going to be the fastest truck you ever did up.
Oh, fucking shit. Crazy, dude. Come to a Ford junkyard just to buy a Ford because Steve has to. I'm hoping it makes me popular in the
Best
YouTube
damn
world.
truck you're ever going to do to buy.
I don't think it's going to. I think that one's mine. That one's mine.
I'll just bid $10 higher.
I'll kill you. I'll kill you, man. Yeah, this is a nice truck. It's got the American flag on it. Look at that. Got a nice interior. This one has like 300,000 miles on it. It's less than my Duramax. We got the tape player. Hey, this one doesn't have a CD. Whoa, whoa! I will kill you so bad. You will be dead. Seriously, freaking dead. Motherfucker tried to stab me.
You can't trust nobody with a taser and a gun sponsor or a knife sponsor.
What do you think, Steve? I'd give him $100 hairs for
I
this.
think you ain't got no balls.
This is a nice truck. Can you imagine if I had a...
I'm gonna be like you. In all of my videos, I'm trying to talk and do cool things, and you're like, oh, I'm Andy. I suck dick, penis, vagina, penis. Fucking so hard to record around Andy.
It's not hard to record around me.
It's damn near impossible.
Look at this. I can have like a... Look at that. I can put my kids in there.
You could live in there too.
Yeah.
That is definitely too big for you.
It's got two tires. Got nice tires on it.
Andy, get in there.
I can't. You get in there.
No, it's your truck. You get in there.
No, it's not my truck. Yeah, you get in there.
You get in there.
I'm not allowing you to lock me in here.
Get in there.
No, I'm not getting in there.
Andy, get in there.
I'm not getting in there.
Don't be scared. Get in there.
I'm not doing it.
Why?
I'll give you $10 to get in there.
No, I don't need
Shit,
your
for
money.
$10 I'll get it.
I'm YouTube rich.
Really?
No, get the fuck out of here.
I'm YouTube rich. Remember?
I got $20, man. I'm so willing to see that shit.
Yeah, I think I literally got a 10 right here of you.
I'll fucking put in the pot.
My big ass ain't getting in there.
Brand new fuel tank.
Now I want to relook at mine to make sure mine are alright.
See, I tried to do a YouTube.
You better go look at yours, buddy.
That
You
one's
got-
way nice.
You got rusted fuel tanks. This one doesn't have doors.
Which now I gotta relook at them.
This one does have a plow though. I don't think I want the plow. The plow looks a little rusty. That's okay. It's like a Jeep. You know, it's kind of like a Jeep basically. Not bad, not bad. It has a little rust. So we're here. Oh my fucking God.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh my God, dude. Steve, where'd you go? Steve's literally lost.
He's lost in the sea of Fords.
This one's pretty rusty. Here. Definitely don't want this Ford. This one has some issues that need tissues. That's definitely my new ride. Look at this thing. This thing's huge. I was telling Steve earlier he could put his Vet in the back here. He can literally load his Corvette up. And then he has a nice little tow vehicle. It'd be freaking awesome. Oh my God, guys. Whew. Guys. This is... I'm king of the world. Dang, dude. This is crazy. Look at that thing. How much do you want for this?
100K.
100K? It's locked, man. Look at this thing. It says do not operate. So I don't think, where'd Steve go? I don't know where Steve went. It says do not operate. Steve! Oh, I found him. He's over there. What are you doing, buddy? You checking your shit out? I gotta get off this damn thing now. My God. I'm gonna fall if I don't put this camera down. So my buddy here, behind me, Jason, is selling all his equipment off of his multi-million-dollar company. No, it's not his company. But he's definitely selling, they're definitely selling a lot of shit here. I think Steve is actually gonna buy a skid loader right there. Or whatever the hell that is, I don't know, one of these things. I think he's gonna buy one. He was desperately looking at one, no joke. I'm gonna buy that Taurus too. Taurus is mine, and it's flex fuel, which is nice.
Hey Steve, that Ford with the no doors on it, with the plow?
Dude, come here, you gotta check this out.
TS4 also.
PS4?
PS4, is that another one you're looking at?
Yep.
I hate you. Steve's in Ford heaven.
Dude, I'm telling
You're gonna love. You're gonna love. Now this side here, buddy.
A little bit of spray foam.
A little bit of spray foam, a little bit of welding.
Oh, that ain't even that bad.
Yeah, that's fine, man.
Hell, that looks just like freaking the van I got in the house.
RJ!
Yeah, it looks just like RJ. Look, somebody already spray foamed it.
Oh my God, dude. Yeah, it's already been spray foamed.
Somebody already spray foamed it.
Unbelievable. I don't think you're gonna want that Fusion, buddy.
I buff out.
Buff out, really? That's actually not in bad looking shape.
That frame wheel's not even completely crushed.
Yeah, it needs a headlight.
The bumper's in the back seat here.
Needs a
Oh yeah, this
hood.
guy was drunk. He got fired.
Oh, is this the one you told me
I remember
about?
This guy, yeah, he got drunk and wrecked it.
206V, mark it down.
I'll let you know. You know the mileage on that bad girl?
What's the mileage on it?
343.
I was just saying,
Damn!
he would go from, he lives down by me, New Providence, and he would go to
Yeah.
New Jersey every day in it.
343.
Well, you know it runs when they wrecked it, at least.
But it's an old body too.
All right, guys, we are back at the shop, as you can plainly tell. Oh my God, tranny. Let's go over here. Still having issues getting that race out. But anyways, that's a whole other different story for the bird. But we are back from this little auction thing, I guess you can kind of call it. I'm not really sure what you can exactly call it. But there's some nice Fords out there, as you guys can see. Some nice trucks. They're in decent shape. Don't know what was wrong with them. Don't know the pricing on them yet. As of yet, we don't know. But both Senator Steve and myself, looks like I have a smudge. There we go. Both Senator Steve and myself made a few bids on a few vehicles. I think I did 2 F350s, and I think he did 3 F350s or F250s. all Powerstrokes, I think, if I remember correctly. I think one was a 7.3, which I would have liked to have, but he got to it before I did. And a Taurus. I did a Taurus. There's a little Taurus there. It was a flex fuel, I think a Model SES Taurus. Pretty decent shape. Hopefully I can get that for a real good price. We'll see what happens. I don't know. So I'm just waiting to hear back from my buddy. Let's see what's going on. Seeing if we got these things or if we don't got these things. Comment below. Tell me how you guys are going to feel about having a Ford on the channel. Probably 3 Fords maybe. If I get all 3 of these vehicles, I might have 3 of them. I don't know. But comment below. Let me know how you feel about having a Ford on a Duramax Chevy channel. That would be pretty different, pretty cool to go beat the crap out of these things. I don't know. But there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram is Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.